Take your seats. Today, we've come to honor Miss Darla Dimple. And because Darla Dimple cares, she's arranged a special treat for you.
Have I?
A special live show with an all-animal cast.
Not this guy.
Yeah, I'm a third. Come on, Sawyer.
Unheard of, yes, of course, but not for America's sweetheart, lover of children and animals. Oh, no. Now, don't try to share the credit. You're the one who wanted us to perform for LB. Mm-hmm. And I wouldn't dream of performing without my friend.
Silly cat. Run along now. Get, Mr. Kitty Cat. Isn't he cute? Run along and play, Mr. Kitty.
Sawyer?
We're all behind you, Danny. 100%. Don't let him go, Tilly.
I got him.
Let go! Have you lost your mind?
Release me, you mad hippo.
Wait.
One big happy family.
Just a minute, please.
You and me with disasters.
Would you just listen to me?
I'll chew your ears off now.
Cranston.
The youngest dear, the fat lady's son.
Look, if you're willing to accept what they think of you, then you can go. I almost did.
Well, you should have. Life here for animals is a pitch. Always playing the scapegoat. Quickly forgotten.
Working for scale.
Then why are you still here?
Well,
Because you can't forget the feeling, can you? The feeling you have when you two dance together. When you play. When you sing. They cursed you, humiliated you, even slammed the door in your face. But they still haven't made you forget. Have they?
They can smash your cookie, but you'll always have your fortune.
Huh. Come on. Let's go show them what we can do.
Oh, boy.
Well, it is kind of getting more or less rather late.